Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is March 8th, 2026, and here are the top cryptocurrency news stories. We'll be looking at the Trump administration, which is promising to support the security of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. The Trump administration's new national cyber strategy places the security of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies within the broader effort of the United States to maintain its leadership in emerging technologies. The document states that the government will support the security of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies, placing blockchain security alongside artificial intelligence and post-quantum cryptography. Let's just say that the strategy doesn't include specific rules for cryptocurrencies are just a wake-up call to authorities to start doing something. And we from the US will go to Latin America, where it appears that the number of users using cryptocurrencies will have tripled compared to America by 2025. According to a report, the Latin American cryptocurrency market is expanding much faster than that of the United States, as users increasingly rely on cryptocurrencies for payments and cross-border transfers rather than for speculation, according to a new report. The region, according to a report by Argentine cryptocurrency company Lehman, received more than $730 billion in cryptocurrency trading volume in 2025, a 60% increase from the previous year, representing about 10% of global cryptocurrency activity. The growth was not measured only in trading volume. Monthly active users of cryptocurrency apps in Latin America grew by about 18% year over year, about 3 times faster than growth in the United States, the report said. And Argentina shows a different pattern. Despite inflation falling to about 32% in 2025, cryptocurrency adoption has continued to grow. The average monthly number of users was 4 times higher than during the 2021 bull market, the report said. And it's no surprise that regions of the world that don't have the same infrastructure as the US and Europe in terms of finances are also the ones that will use cryptocurrencies most frequently for their transactions. Moving on, we're going to go to an exchange for today, and we're going to go to Binance, where a court actually dismissed a lawsuit against it. Notably, a federal judge in Manhattan dismissed all claims in a lawsuit by 535 victims related to 64 terrorist attacks, where the defendants alleged that Binance facilitated the financing of groups such as Hamas, Hezbollah, ISIS, etc. And essentially, the plaintiffs failed to prove a clear connection between the exchange's behavior and the specific attacks that caused them harm. Moving on to a coin for today, we'll go to Pi Network, which is also looking to get into artificial intelligence. So Pi Network is trying to capitalize on the AI boom by repurposing idle nodes and its user network for decentralized AI operations. The project was based on its network, which consists of more than 421,000 active nodes, and this huge infrastructure represents more than 1 million CPUs. So if I understand what they're saying, when they say nodes, they mean every user who has a mobile phone, and basically when they did mining, the Pi network has to log in every day and press a button to get the coins. That's what I consider nodes. And if I'm right, I can tell you that this whole network is pretty weak to develop a reliable artificial intelligence model. Now let's say that OpenMind, a new robotics company that Pi has invested in, is also the one that will help it build something in this area. But I repeat, this network here, if it's what I think, is not the most suitable. And let's say that with this news, Pi was happy and had 24% in the 7 days. Continuing, we'll go to our beloved cryptocurrency market with Bitcoin at $67,000. The price has re-entered our channel as if a day has not passed. And as if a day has not passed, the fear and greed index has returned to an extreme level of fear and is at 17 as I record this episode. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, March 8th, 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.